So now part one, in part one, see, we have created a footage, means we have downloaded a footage, we selected a footage wherein um, one green screen footage we have downloaded, and we removed a green screen, and we have added one background, relevant background we have added, and we have done a wiggle animation. See, there is a wiggle animation here, especially for the position we have done a wiggle animation. Okay. Now to match background, let me add, I need to match background with my foreground element, that is car. So for the background, what I'll do, I'm gonna add a color correction, so especially curves, so that it matches with my foreground element. Okay, fine. That's one thing. Okay. So now this is our comp. So our overall comp looks like this. Okay. So I have a few more references. So what I was referring to is, for example, in YouTube, you have, you see, you can download other additional derbies or kind of a smoke footage, dust footage. Okay. So those things you can download, and you can import to After Effects and add it in a first layer, means foreground layer.
Should it be a green screen as well?
It will be a green screen only.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, you can mention dust, green screen, like that.
Mm.
Okay, like this, dust, green screen, this one. Okay.
Mm.
Or even these things also matters. So, getting, or fog effect. The fog effect is, you can select this kind of fog effect also, where we can add this kind of fog effects in the foreground element. Okay. So what I can do, I'll just select this, copy in video converter, online video converter.party. This is a website. Just paste this. This works in your region also. Just download. So what it will do, additional other websites and all it will open. Just ignore that. Just download the video. So you will be getting a video like this. Right click, save video. Okay. So you can save this as dust. Okay. So fine. So you have dust video. Just import this video to AE. You can just drag and drop here. So this the layer will come. So it will come on the top of this layer. Okay, you can see here. So I'm just bringing this down. We're just below the camera part. Now this what I'll do. Okay, there's one more option. I want this video to see this dust video. Control Alt F. So I'll fill this on, means fit to screen. Okay. I want this video to be looped. It should play as a loop till my time frame. How many are there? Till that time I want this to play. So what I'll do, just select this, right click. Okay. Okay, you need to do here in project dust. Okay, in project what you do, not here, not here, here. Right click, interpret footage. Interpret footage, main. In that you have to click on main.
Okay.
Here, just come down. You have option here. See, loop. How many times you want to loop? So considering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want 5 times this to loop. So I'll just give 5. Press 5. Press enter. See.
Mm.
Okay, one more time I want. So interpret footage main. So instead of 5, I'll make 7. Enter. See. So what happens? This fog will be there. Okay. In my entire screen, this will be there. So what I'll do now, this fog is there now. So here, select this, press F4. Select this, press F4. Now it was like this earlier. It was like this. When you press function key F4, okay, you are able to see modes. Okay,
Mm.
what are the different blending mode? You can see blending mode. Okay, blending mode options. Okay. Now click on this. There are multiple blending modes are there. In this, what I'll do, I'll go with multiply. So multiply looks like this. So what I'll do, instead of that, I'll add to overlay. You add this to overlay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, add this to overlay. Now this, it looks like this. Okay, see, overlay. There are multiple options. Instead of that, even you can give screen also. There is another thing, screen. You get like, you can see like this. Okay, so you have a lot of the smoke foggy effect also is there. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So later I'll do another comp, where I reduce, I'll be adding one tint so that it looks even better. So now this dust is there, right? Here, press T, opacity 100% is there. No, I don't want 100%, make it 50%. So that the smoke or the fog, it won't be so dominant. Okay, I want those to be present, but not too dominant. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, that's one thing. Another thing, see, it's in white color. Okay, I don't want completely white. Let's add a bit tint. So what I'll do, I'll go to effect, color correction. Okay, in curves only. In curves only, what I'll do, I'll add red tint a bit. So you can see bit red tint over here.
Mm.
I reduce this blue tint somewhat. So you get to see this something like smoke. Okay. So overall, it is looking something like this now, right? So what we have done, we have taken camera, we have done camera animation also in this. Hey, hi Lamini. Okay, you're on mute, and okay. So anyhow, this is the part 2 we are doing, and I'm recording this also, screen recording. So first part already the recording has been done. I'll be sharing this. So we have taken green screen footage. We have removed green screen. Okay, this is how we are working with this. So the car footage is different. The background image footage is different. and we have done a wiggle animation also in this, so you can go through in detail. Okay, fine. So it this looks like this. Then what I'll do, I'm gonna add okay, let me do one thing. I'll comp this everything, control shift thing. Okay, one more pre-composition I'm doing. Okay, I'll add new solid or new adjustment layer. Now we will see one more thing. Just click on new adjustment layer. I'm adding one more adjustment layer where I'm gonna do color correction for this adjustment layer. It automatically blends with our original footage in the background. Okay, now for this adjustment layer there are many things. Stylize, you have a kind of noise and all we can remove. Okay, have you heard of immersive video, immersive technology, immersive video? You
No.
have a okay, so Google Cardboard is there, or AR VR device will be there. Okay, so you can create an immersive video, one for left eye, one for right eye, and you can see in those boxes. Okay, using those devices where you get a 3D effect. Okay, so now anyhow we'll see those things later. I'm just going to color correction. Okay, there are many things, I can add a few colors, or let me add a tint now. I'm gonna add a tint. Okay, tint for this. Okay, from black to, I want kind of this, a sepia or that kind of tint. So can you see the things are changing here, the background colors and all?
Mm.
So map to white is, this you just make bottom as white. So from map black to, let us be black. So whites will be like this. There are two things: map black to which color, map white to which color. Okay. You can add particular thing. Let's see one more. So you can right click here, go to color correction, lot of other things you can do under color correction. Auto level, auto contrast, all these things are there. I'll just turn on auto contrast. Okay. So automatically you can see few difference in this. Contrast can be increased or decreased. Okay. Exposure, hue, saturation. Okay. Okay, I just reduce the saturation part a bit. Okay. Now if I turn out contrast, okay, contrast looks something like this. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'll just trim comb to work area. Now, total for 25 seconds it is there. Okay, at the end, I want to keep it something up to here. Okay, so I'll be taking a drift music and all.
Preview.
Okay, so I have downloaded this. So I'm just importing this to After Effects. This is the video, means I just use only the audio of this, nothing else. So I'm saving this project, it is done. Let me just render this. Okay.
Okay.
So it's done completely. So I'll export this to Media Encoder. So there's a lot more work we have done today. So here, this car is a different footage. The background image is a different footage. The foreground fog elements are a different footage. Okay. And I have added fog, as well as I have added camera animation also. Let us see. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts till now?
No, sir.
Okay. So, Lamini, I know there are, when you look at this particular output, there are some confusions and all, so what I suggest you is just go through the video. Okay. So you can let me know. You can send me a message if you have any doubt also. Okay. Okay. And from next class, let's try to be on time, guys. Means at least 9 or before 9:10, 9:10, let's join to the class so that, let's not wait, or else what happens, one person will be, like I'll be starting the class, so you will not understand from middle. That's what I want to say. So if you join a bit early, at least let's join at 9 or 9:10, so that we all be on the same page. Okay,
Okay.
automatically it should add. So what I'll do, I'll just go for this one, mobile half HD. I'll just take half HD, since our composition is also half HD today. Okay.
Okay.
Fine then, it should take some time to render now. So what I'll do, I'll convert these two videos first, and then I'll be sharing these two videos with you now. I'll upload to the channel and I'll be sharing the links. And meanwhile, I'll copy the final output video also. Okay, so let's play this. So it takes some time to render. Okay.
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 Okay, guys, do you have any doubts till now? Hopefully no.
No.